Hey everybody, it's Zach from Sharky Bite here with another awesome Ocean and plugin release for you. Today is going to be centered around auto retrieve, and that will be for both Ocean and for our plugin suite. After the 25.4 update, the auto retrieve changed to the web version, so we have updated our tools to use the new APIs. We also, for those of you who have our Ocean product, we have also updated the UAT migration. So if you have migrated to UAT from test in your test instance, just let us know so we can flag that environment for you to use the new updated API calls. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's check out the Ocean product. So in Ocean, all you have to do is just set up the auto retrieve automation, add it wherever you like in your workflow if you're already aware of how these work. And if you aren't aware of how these work in Ocean and how this workflow platform works, it's super simple. You create a schedule all the way down to 10 minutes or all the way out to every year. Then you set up a loan search, preview it, make sure you got the right setup, and then you just stack automations as you see fit. We're up to 12 now and growing like mad. So back to the auto retrieve again, no configuration for it. You just set it in the workflow automation path here, and that will go out and check to see if there's any documents to retrieve and retrieve them. And then switching over to the plugin, this is going to be the same thing. So for auto retrieve here, we do have some configuration in the plugin, which isn't really necessary in Ocean, because in Ocean you're specifying which loans you want to auto retrieve. Here we allow you to have a coded condition as well as setting the milestones that you want this to actually function in, as well as an email rule if you want to run afterwards for each loan to let someone know that the documents have been auto retrieved. Again, not necessary in Ocean because you can just set up an automation step after the auto retrieve. The last thing, essentially update that we have for you is if you are on one of our UAT environments, just make sure to get a hold of us. If you have been switched over to UAT, that is, we have to flag that environment so that it switches over to the UAT set of APIs for ICE. Other than that, if you haven't already checked out our free Mastering JavaScript in Encompass course, check that out. It's completely free. Once you get through that and you're ready to learn more and get comfortable with JavaScript and learn all the core principles of how to figure out what's going wrong with your code, if there's issues, how to get a little bit past the just getting started. We go super in depth into very advanced topics which cover plugins, plugins 2.0 in the desktop, input form builder, JavaScript, debugging, troubleshooting, and every other week we have a workshop. And so in that workshop, we do hands-on training as well as new projects every other week. So you can look forward to getting either a plugin or an input form that's already has some pre-built stuff in it, and then we'll go over it and kind of build it in class. And yeah, so that's a great way for you to get comfortable moving over to Encompass Web. And if you have any questions, just let us know.